Oh honey, gather round now. Let me tell you about a woman who finally said, enough. Picture this. It's the week before Thanksgiving, lights twinkling on every porch but hers. The phone rings, it's her sister again. You coming to Mama's for the holidays? The whole family's gonna be there. Kids running wild, turkey and all. And our girl Linda, 52 years young, divorced, 2 grown kids who barely call, working double shifts at the hospital just to keep the lights on. She whispers, I'll think about it. But inside, her heart's already breaking. For 25 years she's been the one cooking, cleaning, smiling through the snide comments about her quiet life. The one who gets asked to watch everybody else's babies while they sip wine and laugh. Invisible. That's the word. Like furniture nobody notices till it needs move in. This year though something snapped. Quiet. Clean. She booked herself a solo cruise. 7 nights in the Caribbean. Balcony cabin. No drama. No Linda, can you? Just sunsets, ocean breeze and finally time for herself. The family? They didn't even notice she said no. They just assumed she'd show up like always. Until the day the ship pulled away from port. And Linda posted one little photo. Her, glass of champagne in hand, smiling like the weight of the world had lifted off her shoulders. That post? It blew up. Millions of views. Comments flooding in. Queen. This is the energy. But back home? The family group chat lit up like fireworks. And not the happy kind. Now darlin', let's go back a ways. Linda wasn't always this tired. She grew up the middle child, always trying to keep the peace. Married young, raised her babies, worked nights so her husband could chase dreams that never quite landed. When the divorce came, she didn't fight. Just signed the papers, took the little house and kept going. Family said, You're strong, Linda. You'll be fine. And she was mostly. But holidays? They became her quiet battlefield. Every year same thing. Sister calls. Bring the green bean casserole and oh, watch the kids while we shop. Brother drops by. Hey, can you pick up Mom's groceries? We're swamped. Mama sighs. It's just easier when you're here, hon. So she shows up. Always shows up. Smilin'. Endurin'. Last Christmas, they planned a big cabin getaway in the mountains. Linda offered to help pay. Lord knows she pinched pennies. No need, her sister said. We got it covered. But you can come if you want. If you want. Like she was an afterthought. She went. Cooked breakfast for 12. Watched the grandkids while the adults went skiing. Came home exhausted with not one thank you. That hurt. This past summer, her niece's graduation. Family barbecue. Linda drove 3 hours, brought potato salad, stayed late cleaning up. Her brother joked. Linda's the maid again. Everyone laughed. She smiled. Inside, something cracked. She started scrawling cruise deals late at night. Dreamin'. One night she hit book. Solo. Affordable. Departure date. Right over Thanksgiving week. She told no one. Just waited. The week before, text started. Linda, you bringin' the pies? You stayin' over? She replied once. I won't be there this year. Talking a little trip. Silence. Then. What trip? We need you here. She didn't answer. Packed her suitcase. Boarded the ship. First night at sea, she stood on the balcony, wind in her hair, tears mixed in with salt spray. Freedom tasted like champagne. Back home, the family holiday went on without her. Photos flooded social media. Smilin' faces, turkey, kids playin'. No mention of Linda. But then her post. A simple carousel. Sunrise yoga on deck. Lobster dinner alone but happy. Dancin' under stars. Caption. Sometimes the best family is the one you choose yourself. It exploded. Women from all over commentin'. I needed this. You're brave. Views climbed. Shares. Reposts. Viral. Her phone? Blew up. Sister. How could you abandon us? Brother. This is selfish. Mama. Come home, baby. We miss you. But Linda? She turned off notifications. Sipped her drink. Watched the ocean. For the first time in decades she felt seen. Now listen here, sweet pea. Have you ever felt invisible in your own home? Like you're the one always giving, always showing up, but nobody ever asks how you're doing? Ever poured your heart into a holiday dinner just to hear, oh, we thought you'd handle it? Or watched your family make plans without including you? If that's you nodding right now, tear in your eye, then Linda's story is yours too. So many of us good women have carried the load so long we forgot we could put it down. Tell me in the comments. What's the one time you felt overlooked by your own kin? Share it. Let it out. You're not alone. And honey, if Linda can sail away and find her joy, maybe you can too. This is your sign. Y'all, the twist came fast. Linda's post hit 1 million views overnight. Strangers cheering her on. But the family? Oh, they panicked. Sister called crying. Mama's upset. You ruined Thanksgiving. Brother texted. This is embarrassing. Take it down. Linda just smiled at her phone. Didn't reply. Then came the real shock, day 4 of the cruise. She posted a video. Her on the deck, Logan with new friends she'd met at trivia night. No makeup. Hair wild from the sea. Caption. Found my people. Turns out family ain't always blood. Comments exploded even more. Hashtag solo cruise queen trended. Women sharing their own stories. Support poured in like rain. But the family doubled down. Mama posted a long message. My daughter chose strangers over her own flesh and blood. Breaks my heart. Oh, the guilt trip. Classic. Linda saw it and kept sailing. Her grown daughter, estranged for years, saw the post. Messaged her. Mom, I'm proud of you. I always thought you deserved better. Tears on the deck. Real ones. The cruise line noticed the viral wave. Invited her to a VIP dinner. She went. Met other women doing the same. Solo travelers reclaiming life after years of giving too much. They toasted. To the ones who finally said yes to themselves. And the revenge that wasn't planned? Family saw the numbers. Saw the love pouring in for Linda. Saw her glowing. Sister called again. Okay. Maybe we took you for granted. Come home. We'll make it right. Linda paused. Looked at the sunset. Whispered to the phone. I love y'all. But I'm not coming home yet. This is my time. Hung up. Turned toward the horizon. And the internet? Lost its mind. So here we are, sugar. Linda's ship docked back in Miami. She stepped off, tan, rested, changed. Not bitter. Just whole. She didn't blast the family. Didn't curse them. Just lived her truth. Posted one last photo. Her at home, plants on the windowsill, coffee in hand. Caption. Came back to myself. And I'm staying at. The family, they learned. Slow. Calls came softer. Invites included her name first. Apologies, real ones. But Linda? She set boundaries now. Holidays? Optional. Her piece? Non negotiable. Darlin', this ain't just Linda's story. It's ours. The ones who carried the load, smiled through the hurt, loved anyway. We don't have to keep doing it alone. Sometimes the greatest love is the love you give yourself. Choose the cruise. Choose the quiet morning. Choose you. If this touched your heart, hit that subscribe button. Share your own story in the comments. I read everyone. And if you're ready to sail toward your own joy, drop a heart below. Auntie May's praying for you, honey. You've got wings. Use them.